Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Are you serious? Let me get out and show you.
Okay, so call man.
Okay. I don't know what to...
Call 911.
Where's that last one? Up next, I'm gonna keep it going with some of your usual Thursday vibes. All you tree pop lovers out there.
What the fuck? Jesus Christ! What in the f***?
Bro. Oh my god. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay.
About Dollaz. All right, AmandaReb said. How do we get there? Hephaestus clapped his hands. The spider came swinging down from the rafters. AmandaReb flinched when
and you get real cash back for every gallon of gas you buy. I use it all the time, and I've already made around $200.
You can make that kind of cash back just for buying the gas you have to buy anyway.
If we run out, I can call out to you or mommy, and you can bring in an extra roll. But here they can't do that, so they have an extra one just in case. So my nephew said, well, what does Uncle Teddy do, because he lives by himself?
Kinzinger explained what he observed. Here, play this clip. I'm genuinely surprised how people close to Trump haven't talked about the odor. It's truly something to behold. Wear a mask if you can.
Damn it.
Current loop video is now locked.
Where do you usually get gas at?
Oh shit. Yeah. Let me go check.
Oh, hold on, don't go out there.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.